The EON 17X from Origin PC is an antidote to unsatisfying gaming laptops from mainstream manufacturers. The massive 17.3-inch desktop replacement is based on a P775D M3G gaming laptop from OEM/ODM PC manufacturer Clevo. Origin takes it, puts in the components you want, tests the hell out of it to make sure it runs at peak performance, and then backs it with personalized service and support that includes lifetime free labor and a year of part replacement. Origin will also paint it for you, for a price, naturally, so the outside is just as customized as the inside. As is the case with other boutique system builders, a PC like this comes at a premium. Origin starts the EON 17X at $1,807, about $2.400 or £1,420, with a dual-core 4.2 GHz Core i3-7350K desktop processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card, 8GB of 2400 mHz memory, a 250GB Samsung 850 EVO, $278.29 at Amazon.com, Series SSD and a full HD G-Sync IPS display. Our review laptop is nearly twice the price, but has upgrades across the board, and if you go out on components and services, you can blow right past $6,000. Regardless of what's inside the laptop, the system itself is generic looking, and it will cost you a minimum of $175 if you want it in a color rather than red, white, or black. The plastic body has a very sturdy feel to it, but at £8.60, 3.9 kilograms, it's unlikely you'll be tossing it around like you would a thin and light. Plus, the body measures a sizable 16.4 by 1.6 by 11.6 inches, 40.6 by 4.1 by 29.5 centimeters. After all, putting a desktop processor in a laptop body requires space not only for the components, but for keeping them cool. Helping keep temps in check are two large fans that seemingly never stop blowing when you do anything more demanding than opening a web browser. The fans are loud too, so you'll either have to pump up the volume or pop on a headset. The speakers sound remarkably good, but the integrated audio includes a 2-in-1 jack for headphones or S/PDIF optical output, and there are also separate line in and out jacks. Actually, one of the nicest parts about the design is the number of connection options. Out of the back is the power jack along with 2 mini DisplayPort 1.3 and 1 HDMI output. On the sides you find 2 USB 3.1, Gen 2, Type-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 3, and 4 full-size USB 3.0 ports as well as Gigabit Ethernet and an SD card reader. Basically, it's enough to easily turn this into a desktop without resorting to any docks or adapters. For those times when you're not at desk, the 17.3-inch 3840x 2160 pixel resolution IPS matte display with G-Sync is excellent with accurate colors and wide gamut. Some of the matte screens I've seen on gaming laptops can make colors look a little flat, but that's not the case here, and although it doesn't get super bright, it doesn't really disappoint either. But, if you don't want to pay for the high resolution, Origin offers full HD and 2.5K resolution displays for less.